Asus ROG Phone 7 Screen Replacement. Asus ROG Phone 7 is a gaming smartphone that was released in May 2023. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 165Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform with ray tracing hardware acceleration, up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. It has a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 5MP macro sensor. It also has a 32MP selfie camera on the front. It has a 6000 mAh battery with 65W fast charging and 10W reverse charging support. It also has dual stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, an under-display fingerprint scanner, and RGB lighting on the back. It runs on Android 13 with ROG UI. Asus ROG Phone 7 is available in two colors, Phantom Black and Storm White. It also has an Ultimate Edition that comes with a cooler accessory and a matte white finish. The prices of the different variants are: Asus ROG Phone 7, 12/256 of a gigabyte. Asus ROG Phone 7, 16/512 of a gigabyte. Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate, cooler included. Aero Active Cooler 7. The best place to fix your Asus ROG Phone 7 screen in Sydney CBD. The Asus ROG Phone 7 is a dream come true for gamers. If you own an Asus ROG Phone 7 and have unfortunately found yourself with a cracked or damaged screen, fear not. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is here to help you get your phone looking brand new again in no time. With their efficient and reliable screen replacement service, you can have peace of mind knowing that your device is in capable hands. How to get your Asus ROG Phone 7 screen fixed in Sydney CBD. One of the key reasons why Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the go-to destination for Asus ROG Phone 7 screen replacements is their use of genuine parts. Unlike some repair centers that may opt for cheaper, generic parts, Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensures that only authentic and high-quality replacement screens are used for their repairs. This ensures that the performance and functionality of your device are not compromised in any way. The process of getting a screen replacement at Sydney CBD Repair Centre is relatively straightforward and hassle-free. Once you bring in your Asus ROG Phone 7, their skilled technicians will swiftly assess the damage and provide you with an accurate quote for the repair. With their state-of-the-art tools and expertise, they will then proceed to carefully remove the old, damaged screen and replace it with a brand new one. Don't let a broken screen spoil your Asus ROG Phone 7 experience. Contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre today and get your phone repaired by the best in the business. One of the major benefits of getting your screen replaced at Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the minimal downtime. With an approximate duration of around 2 hours, you can drop off your phone and have it fully repaired in a relatively short amount of time. This allows you to get back to your daily routine without any major disruptions. Another convenience that Sydney CBD Repair Centre offers is the preservation of your phone's advanced security features. Your old fingerprint scanner and Face ID will still work seamlessly with the new screen, meaning you don't have to go through the hassle of setting up these security measures again. This ensures that your phone remains secure and your personal data protected. Reliability is a crucial factor when choosing a repair center, and Sydney CBD Repair Centre certainly ticks all the boxes. With over 1,700 positive Google reviews, they have built a strong reputation for their exceptional service and customer satisfaction. This glowing feedback is a testament to their expertise, professionalism, and commitment to delivering top-notch repairs. For your convenience, Sydney CBD Repair Centre operates from Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. This flexible schedule ensures that you can easily find a time slot that suits your availability and drop off your device without any inconvenience. If you find yourself in need of a screen replacement for your Asus ROG Phone 7, look no further than Sydney CBD Repair Centre. With their use of genuine parts, efficient repair process, preservation of advanced security features, and strong reputation for reliability, they are the perfect choice for getting your device back in top shape. So don't let a cracked screen hinder your smartphone experience any longer. Head over to Sydney CBD Repair Centre and let their skilled technicians work their magic. In conclusion, if you're facing a damaged or shattered screen on your Asus ROG Phone 7, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the go-to destination for reliable and efficient screen replacement. Security features such as fingerprint scanner and Face ID are preserved during the screen replacement. With their use of genuine parts, skilled technicians, and a strong reputation for exceptional service, you can trust them to restore your device to its brand new condition. They offer minimal downtime and ensure the preservation of your phone's advanced security features, making the repair process hassle-free and convenient. Sydney CBD Repair Centre has a strong reputation for reliability and positive customer feedback. Don't let a broken screen hinder your smartphone experience any longer. Head over to Sydney CBD Repair Centre and let their professionals work their magic to get your Asus ROG Phone 7 back in top shape.